streets are done. We have to drink street.
Alright.
Look the food.
What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now I know it's Soca Thursdays, but it's also winter wear elegant and equal. So no chicken chest for the ladies. I apologize, you won't be seeing my beautiful chicken chest today. I know it really hurts, but it's just I think that I got to stay warm. You understand? I apologize a lot. I'm sorry, but don't worry about a thing. You must know that song there. Anyways, like on the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. This week we have Farmer Nappy. Okay, song called Backyard Jam. Backyard Jam People. Backyard Jam People official music video 2021 Soca. Let's see what's popping for this video. Like up this video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video. Ready? Run through. Somewhere in Trinidad and Tobago. Country life music. Steam fish. Alright then.
I go bring my friends and you could bring your friends and we friends will all line together.
Yeah.
Just decide who homes we like in this place or I'll find right
Hey,
here in the
Jono.
backyard jam. We go tingy-licky, tingy-licky, tingy-licky. Israel vibes and we beat your lion right here in the backyard jam. Hey, go straight in the kitchen, grab a pot and then start beating your hair. Hey, backyard must have an announcer, someone who will keep the order to give you house rules and safety tips. So when you wind down low, you wouldn't break your hip. We don't need no big promoter. The neighbors go be responsible.
Yeah.
So when you see the police, tell them to get something to eat right
Yes,
down in
sir.
the backyard.
Oh, sure.
jam. We go tingy-licky, tingy-licky, tingy-licky. Israel vibes and we beat your lion right here in the backyard jam. Hey, go straight in the kitchen, grab a pot and then start beating your
yeah,
head.
yeah.
Yard, must have a whiner, hard girl to show off she bumper. Go down, start whine. And go let the girls hang. We don't need no big promoter. The neighbors go be
baby,
responsible.
hey.
Hey, when you see the police, tell them we
Woo. That's what we mean when we say soca. You understand me? We don't know what to come and talk about. There's many different kind of soca. I understand that. I really understand what y'all saying though. But me, when I think of soca, energy. Me know what you about now. When they call it slow motion or whatever you want. Energy. And that me know about. You understand? But I'm learning a lot about it. I want to say thank you for influencing me, teaching me and telling me every week when I post a new video. I say, yo, I saw this go, this and that and ray. But right now, this video is a whole vibe. Let's continue the reaction. I have to start it that way. I just needed that little energy. I needed that little push. Okay. Run through.
mashing up the street, we here in the backyard jam. We go tingy-licky, tingy-licky, tingy-licky. Israel vibes and licky, licky. Right here in the backyard jam. Hey, go straight in the kitchen, grab a pot and then start beating, you hear me? Level. Alright, the backyard making their own rhythm section.
Okay, because I was like, you see what they use? They use the graters, they use the pots, they use the pans, they use old irons, they use everything to create this beat. Basically, what I'm getting from this, right? This is our video. You understand me? And I like that. You know, natural beats, natural sound effects. Go on.
Alright, section 1. Here we
Thank you, legs. Okay.
Sing
Let me
this.
go, let me go.
Ping, 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 pa, ding. Ping, ping. Nice.
I like it.
Section 2. Join in with this one. Hey. Bang, bang, bing, bing, bang, bang, bing, bang, 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 bang. Nice.
Hey.
Section 3. The sweet. This are the sections. Here we are singing. Nice. Oh, you're singing.
In the section 4.
Hey. Let me jam. I go bring my friends and you bring your friends and we friends will all line together.
Yeah.
Just decide who house we line in. something to eat.
Did he just bribe the police them? Did he just like bribe the cops? You just got played, bruh. Yeah, just got played. He just gave you some food just to have you guys pose with your van outside when he was doing his video so he can lean on your van so his video, you know, you just got played. I'm sorry. But so we're in Brooklyn. No!
We can't take it not all the time.
Brooklyn
The
now.
spirit is carnival.
Hold them now.
First you up,
Bang, hey!
Bolo give my rose fresh thing.
Guess what? Somewhere on YouTube right now, people. Watch us tell ya.
Chaser done, we have to drink straight. Look, the police coming, low down the music, low down the music, the
Somewhere
police is
on
coming.
YouTube.
I ain't taking no luck up falling, you know. You know they go call for my name.
It done?
Hey officer, what's up?
It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I hope you all enjoyed that video. If you all made it to the end of this video, I want you to comment number 7 in the comment section. Okay? Yes. So I know you guys were actually in the backyard. What?